Welcome to my presentation regarding the importance of sleep with the adolescents. My educational brochure is titled Teens and the Need for Sleep: What Every Teen Should Know About Their Health. Although it is widely believed everyone needs 8 hours of sleep a night, some need more and others can adjust to considerably less. A teen's life is very hectic due to schoolwork and extracurricular activities, so it is wise to get at least 8 to 10 hours of sleep. Adolescent girls are building so many cells and fast, so rest and sleep is recommended by many pediatricians, CDC, and the World Health Organization. So what are the recommendations and tips to get a good night's sleep for teens? First, a parent should create a calm atmosphere in the home at bedtime. Teens should avoid activities that will excite their senses late in the evening. They should find another time for computer games, action movies, intense reading, or heavy studying. Teens should not have anything with caffeine, including soda and chocolate, after 4 p.m. So I would recommend instead is to drink 8 ounces of milk to help with bone growth and digestion. Teens should also avoid smoking and drinking. Along with hurting their health, nicotine and alcohol will disturb their sleep. They should also keep the environment cool, at least 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 72 degrees Fahrenheit, and free from noise and screen light. A healthy diet and regular exercise will also help to get a better sleep at night. So what is the best way to get enough sleep at night? According to Sleep and Teens UCLA, teens should avoid using phones or watching TV for more than an hour at a time, making sure to use less or no screen time before bed. And as we know nowadays, everybody is on their electronic devices, and sometimes they would sleep with their cell phones next to them. So it's best if we have our adolescents or teenagers do not use your cell phones before they go to bed. What happens when a teenager does not get a good night's sleep? They have self-reports of poor mood, emotional regulation, and self-harm increase with sleep restriction. Cognitive performance is impaired with chronic sleep restriction, which can affect academic performance. Chronic lack of sleep can lead to fatigue and depression. Children and adolescents who do not get enough sleep have a higher risk of obesity, diabetes, injuries, poor mental health, and problems with attention and behavior. And this is according to CDC 2020. Also, lack of sleep is associated with multiple health and academic consequences, according to Kinsegra 2020. So for parents, I would highly suggest to contact your teenager's doctor. Speak to your adolescent's physician if she has difficulty sleeping or falling asleep, snores, or seems excessively sleepy during the day, or if they have nightmares and waking up in the middle of the night, because pharmacological interventions may be necessary. And these are my references, and thank you for your time and listening.